Hi, and welcome to the demo for Cliks It. Cliks It is a web-based software that lets you share content on the social networks, but it lets you keep control of the links. You can add call to actions, layered pop-ups, videos, social lockers, banners, links, and anything you really wanted to the links that you share. You can even share direct from the software. So, what I'm going to do now is walk you through the different sections we have of links. And I'm going to show you some extras that we have, like analytics and campaigns, etc. Now, from the dashboard here, you can see we have a direct snapshot at any links we've created. You can see the views, the unique views, you can see whether they're published or not, you can see the views today, new visits, and you can create a link directly from the dashboard window. So let's move on to basic links. Let me show you how they work. In the basic link section, what you can do is, you can put a call to action on any single page. Now, all you want to do is grab the page you want to share on Facebook, Twitter, or Google+, and come back to Cliks. Click Create a New Link and give it a title. Now this is a page about dieting. I'm going to put in the content URL and use my administration profile. I'll leave my campaign blank for the moment. I can add in my marketing message here, so I could put in the URL will be anyone that you want the user to go to. This could be an affiliate URL, a product URL, etc. You will add a call to action, so you could add in Now you can see the call to action bar there. You can put that anywhere on any URL. It can also be made to look a lot different, currently in the bottom left at the moment. You can move it to the right, top right, bottom, and we can also have this speech box, single box, speech bar, and the side box. You can make that look a lot different. You can change the background color, style light bold. You can change the text color, the link color. As you can see, you can make the bars look very different. Once you've done that, you just create new link. Once that's been created, go back to basic. View the list. You can see that there. And all you need to do is click on the view option. You can see the bar you've made. There it is. When you share that link, you can share it on Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. You can share it directly from the software, and that's how it'll be shared, with the call action at the bottom. You can come back and edit that at any time. You've also got direct analytics for every message that you create, and you've got direct stats there, views, and unique views. So that's the basic link section. Then we have the just link section. Now these are easy to set up. What it does, it takes over any page you want, and you can add in your own affiliate links. So what you can do is, you can come across to Google. I'm going to type in best diet pills. Diet pills review. So let's share one of these. We'll use this page, safe diet pills. So, campaign name is diet. Select profile. I'll use admin1, destination URL. Now I'm going to add in a URL. I'm just going to add in google.com. But what that link URL would be your affiliate URL for your diet pills. Enable the mask, create the new link. That's been successfully created. View the list. That's the one I have just created. Now with this, what we can do is we can share it directly on Twitter, Facebook, and Google. We can instantly see the analytics. We can see how many views and how many unique views it's had. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to show you what that does. I'm going to view the link. The link looks exactly the same, but the only difference is, any link on this page once we've shared it on Facebook, Google, Twitter, those links now belong to us. If we click here, it'll go across to Google, but that obviously would be your affiliate link. Okay, so this is the image section. Now, what this allows you to do is to share any page and add a banner to that page. So let me show you how to do that. We click Create New Link. The page that I'm going to be sharing is this one about diets. I'm going to add that into the content URL. That's the page that I want to share. I'm going to call it Diet. I'm going to use the administration profile, and I'm going to choose a banner to share on that page. I'm going to use this one about dieting. The URL would be your affiliate URL, or the URL to your product. I'm just going to use google.com. The pop-up dimensions for this one is 300 by 250. Now your pop-up time. This means when the page is loaded, you can specify when you want the pop-up to happen. It can be on page load, exit pop-up, 3-second delay, 5-second delay, etc. I'm going to use it on page load and use the center of the screen, but you can also use top left, top right, or bottom right. I'm going to use center of the screen and create new link. So the link has been created. If I go across to image, I'll view the list and you'll see the link I've just created. I can now share that directly on Twitter, Facebook, or Google+. Your analytics here. You can see it's had no views, no unique views either. It's published, but I can set it to not published if I didn't want it to be. I've got analytics built directly in here. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to show you how the page looks. If we click View, you can see the banner has loaded in the center of the screen. And if I click it, it should go to google.com. So that's how to create a banner inside a page that you want to share. I'm at the layered pop-up section. And at the layered pop-up section, you can add pop-ups, videos, social lockers to any page that you want to share. It doesn't matter whether it belongs to you or not. We have a ton of different templates already built in, which are fully customizable. We've got the subscribe form. Everything can be changed on here. Colors, background colors, button color. You've got terms and conditions. They need to agree to terms and conditions before they use the site. You've got contact forms. You've got social emails where they can subscribe with Facebook and Google. You've got product sales. For example, this is one for a MacBook Pro. You've got the video one. You can add a video in here. Now for the subscribe forms. We work with GetResponse Aweber, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and Mail Elite. All you need to do is create the link URL and tell the software where you want the subscribe form video to play or the pop-up blocker to show. You can set it up to go on the page load, exit load with 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 30 seconds, or even 60-second time delay. Now, this is one I've created earlier, so I'm going to show you how this works. It's from Copyblogger, and it's how to build a first-class email list in 30 days. I've just done a little pop-up here. Are you ready? Get it now. Increase more than 500% of the email subscribers. Add your name and email. So, if you are sharing that on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, obviously Copyblogger's an authority site. You are instantly picking up new leads. Again, we've got analytics built directly into that. You can share it directly on Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. Okay, here we have campaigns. You can set campaigns to different niches. For example, I've got one set here for diets. I could have all my diet shares and my dieting messages under this campaign. It gives you analytics for each campaign, so you want to see how many views and unique views you've got, etc. You've got a direct link to the analytics here. You've got profiles. You can set profiles for different niches. So again, I could have a dieting profile. It also shows you how many views, unique views, how many links I'm sharing for that as well. You've got analytics, full analytics where you can see overall visitors and views, average time spent on the page. You can see the top referral from the different social networks. You can see the different regions, and you can see that by profile, campaign, and campaign message. So that's the demo for Cliks. If you've got any questions, please ask.